feel the waves cut.
In this tutorial, let's see how to create this replicate effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we are in the edit tab and I have taken this random clip from pexels.com. So first of all, what we have to do is go in the OpenFX, type transform, drag and drop this transform effect to the clip. Okay, so now let's go in the settings, advanced options, and in edge behavior, select it and change to wrap around. With the help of zoom, you can replicate this clip in multiple clips like this. Okay, so let's play around with this clip. So I will duplicate this clip, drag and drop it above and drag the playhead to 1 second. Okay, and I will cut this clip. Okay, so I will go in the zoom and decrease the zoom so that I get this effect. Alright, so now I will do it multiple times. Cut this clip and decrease the zoom to this. Okay, one more time, 1 second. Cut this and I will increase the zoom now. One more time, 1 second. Cut the second and back to normal. Okay, I mean you can play around with the effect however you want. This is just me telling you about the effect. You can always play with the effect and see what you can do with it. This is frame replicate effect in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you try this effect in your videos. My name is Amir and I will see you in the next video.